What's up, y'all? What them do? And I'm about to show y'all how to make funnel cakes my way. First, you're gonna need some pancake mix, some powdered sugar. You're gonna need your chocolate. You're gonna need your strawberries. And you also gonna need a funnel. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all how to make funnel cakes my way. Ken's gonna be my judge. He gonna be the first one to take the funnel cake. Here you go, Ken. You want me to cut it or you cut it? That's strawberry. This part. Ice cream and strawberries. Good? You like it? What's the number you gonna get? 10? Alright, y'all. Can you like it? So we'll make y'all kids. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if y'all want to see more videos. And this is my way of making funnel cake, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Yes, make this for your kids, husband, whoever, family member. This is my first time making it, so I hope you guys like this video. Run this video up, y'all. Give this video 1,000 likes. Leave a comment at the bottom if y'all like it. Till then, I'll catch you on the back end, and we out.